Hi everyone, welcome back to another Koala tutorial. Today, I'll be showing you how to allow students to resize and rotate objects on the whiteboard. And by objects, I mean objects such as sticky notes and images. So, to do this, click on the menu at the top right corner of your classroom screen. Select Settings, and then scroll down to where it says Whiteboard. And now choose Students may resize and rotate items. Once I check this, click here to apply changes for my page to refresh. Once I've done this, my student should now be able to rotate and resize objects on the whiteboard. Happy teaching everyone! I'll catch you on another Teach with Koala tutorial. Bye!